Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something super useful for anyone who wants to dig a little deeper into Discord, how to enable developer tools. With this feature, you can copy IDs, inspect messages, and unlock some handy developer functions. Stick around because I'll walk you through every step quickly and easily. First, you need to open Discord. You can use either the desktop app or the web client. Just make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon to access user settings. From there, scroll down the left-hand menu until you see Advanced and click on it. Here's the key step. Locate the developer mode toggle. Slide the circle to the right so it turns green. That means it's now active. And just like that, developer mode is enabled on your account. With developer mode turned on, you can do things like copy server, user, or message IDs, inspect message elements, and access other advanced Discord tools. It's a small setting, but it opens up a lot of possibilities, especially if you're into bot development or customizing your server experience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled developer tools on Discord. If this quick tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover other Discord tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.